elementary सुन रहे हैं मुझे नेशनल पार्ट ऑफ द लैंग्वेज। One of the person told that how many process basically are ongoing in the land basically. So one of the person told that petrol creation basically is one of the process, oil creation is one of the process, seed creation basically is one of the process, chemicals basically might be getting created. So like this one of the person told that the person who is having this information basically, it might be those group basically who are handling the governments basically. Because in this basically I had told that there are 1,000 family basically who are basically the richest group basically, who are who are basically handling the entire automobile industry, who is getting 70-80 lakh crore basically from one car model basically. So it's a huge income basically. That 1,000 family group basically might be having this data basically, because it's very critical data na? So here one person told that AI industry basically also might not be having this data. So this data basically might be. So one of the person told that how many land basically is used to do the process basically. So one of the person told that mostly basically there are 212 countries. So wherever basically the cities are created, the rules basically say that you have to do something basically in the land. You have to do something basically in the land. So next video.